In today's edition of What's on the Porch, somehow SinglesSwag is back. Not really sure how that happened. Well, I kind of have an idea, but if you want to know how that happened and see what's in my box, then you'll have to keep watching. Welcome back, Leanna here. So I had canceled my SinglesSwag box, as I'm sure most of you know, and then they sent me the dreaded 50% off email, and so I signed back up for 6 months at half price, so it cost me $112 for 6 months. So here we are, loving ourselves with the SinglesSwag box. For those of you that don't know about SinglesSwag, I will have a link down in the description so you can go check it out. Never pay full price for this box. You can always find a coupon code. And these boxes are fairly decent. You don't have to be single to get the box. So let's see what I got in mine. That's what we're looking like on the inside. It always comes with a card. Love yourself and never settle. On the back of the card, it tells you what the items are in the box and their value. As you can see here, they're saying that the value of my box is $208. I agree with all the other people that review this box that the prices on here are a little bit inflated. I still think for the money that you spend, if you get the discount, because ain't nobody got time to pay $200 and some for 6 months for this box, that you're still getting your money's worth. So, and it's fun to open. Who doesn't love opening a box when you have no idea what's in it? So the first thing on top of the box is this hat. It says the Winter brand is the name of it, and it is a Chanel beanie, and it says that the value is $38. It's a very pretty grayish blue. There's the little brand logo, the Winter brand. 100% Chanel polyester lining, hand wash only. It has a very nice fur lining on the inside of it. Nice little beanie. There you go. What you think? Make it slouch in the back. Give it a little slouchy slouch. That's not too shabby. The next thing in the box is a Spungeli, you know, one of those things. This is Lavender Sky. These are very popular, and it says that the retail value of this is $20. Vegan friendly, cruelty free, and made with love in the good old US of A. They smell so good, and everybody loves them. And I have used them, and they're okay. I don't like using such a thick something to bathe with. It just doesn't work very well for me. But I happen to know somebody that absolutely loves lavender, so I might just pass that on to them. And then we have Indigo Authority. This is jewelry. It is a Alana Pave Heart and earring set. And it says it retails for $54, which I doubt. I would not pay $54 for this. It is very pretty though. That is a very cute little heart. And it is raised, if you can see that. And very textured, like it looks like some type of crystal or rock. Can you see that? It's very pretty. The earrings are really cute too. I will not wear this. If it were silver, I absolutely would wear it because I think that the heart necklace is really cute. But I am not a gold person. My jewelry preference is silver, so. But that is very cute. The earrings look like they have a little bit of mother of pearl on them. Very cute little set. So that will go in y'all's giveaway box. And then we have Sweet Wishes. And this is my pet peeve with SinglesSwag, is they always send you a food item, some kind of cake or cookie or chocolate or something like that. And I will tell SinglesSwag one more time, don't feed the hotties. Stop sending people all this sugar. It's bad for them. Don't send me sugar. You can send me kisses. Don't send me sugar. This retails for $5, it said. It is a premium European chocolate. It's a dark chocolate. This will be going in the trash. Yes, I know I should give it to somebody, but I'm not giving them something that I think is bad for them, whether they think it's bad for them or not. I'm making that choice for them. The next thing we have is Fiona Rachel or Rachel. It is Maximum Hydrator Replenishing Nourishing Cream, and it retails for $39, it says. It is a 36-month shelf life. It says cruelty-free, which I love. However, it's made in China. Somehow those two don't sound like they go together. Here's the packaging. Very simple, which I kind of like. Let's see if it's sealed. It does have a cover over it. It looks very hydrating. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It almost is like a water cream. It does feel really good. Still does not have a smell to it. I am not keeping that either, even though I have accidentally stuck my fingers in it, but I have a friend that I can give that to. I have a lot of lotions. And the next thing we have is Luxe Beauty. It is a jasmine and eucalyptus, or eucalyptus and jasmine pillow mist. And this retails for $24. I see the bunny on the back. I cannot tell what the shelf life is. It has eucalyptus essential oil, is known to calm a racing mind. Jasmine essential oil is believed to have antiviral and antifungal properties that may boost immune function, and it is sealed on both ends. Let me get my blade. And there's what it looks like. By the way, this is my February box, because I forgot to say. Ooh, that smells really good, y'all. I will definitely be keeping that. And then I woke up like this. This is Sophia and Mabel, and this retails for $28. And it is Skin Perfecting Primer. They seem to be giving more skin products, it seems. This has a 12-month shelf life. It has the cruelty-free bunny on the back, which we like. It's supposed to smooth and blur the look of pores so your makeup lasts for hours to come. So that's nice. Is it sealed up? Is sealed. I am not going to open it because I have a lot of primers that I need to get through, so I'm going to put that in your giveaway box as well. And there we go. That's all the items in my February SinglesSwag box. Like I said, I will put the link down below. I actually like the hat. I'll be keeping that. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching me do yet another unboxing. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it's free. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do fish like dark chocolate? Do you reckon if you put this on your hook, they would think it was chicken liver? Not a chicken liver. Maybe a beef liver. That kind of looks like beef liver, doesn't it? Do catfish eat beef liver or just chicken livers? Do they know the difference? I don't know. Maybe I should send this to you so you can go fishing with it. Mama loves you, boo.